Mula sa isang recreational event na nilalaro lang sa kalye, hindi na maikakaila ang kasikatan ng 3-on-3 basketball sa buong mundo. Mas mabilis kasi at walang tigil ng aksyon sa half-court setup ng 3-on-3. Kaya nagbuo ng powerhouse team ang Pilipinas para maglaro sa 2017 FIBA 3-on-3 World Cup na gaganapin sa June 17 to 21 sa Nantes, France. Kasama sa team ang Gilas Pilipinas Cadets na sina Kiefer Ravena at Kobe Paras. Ramdam ng mga players ang potensyal ng Pinoy, lalo na at opisyal ng kasama sa 2020 Tokyo Olympic Games ang 3-on-3.
With 3x3, bagay talaga sa mga Pinoy yun na larong to which we really excel at. So hopefully, we get to organize and really put in time in developing a team that could represent the country for the 2020 Olympics.
I was just happy that since I've been a part of the 3-on-3 ever since I was 15, it just feels great that 3-on-3 is already an Olympic sport. So, I mean, if there's a chance na makasaming Philippines, of course, I'll be really committed to it.
Kasama rin sa lineup ang 3-on-3 pioneer na si JR Quinyahan at two-time UAAP Finals Most Valuable Player na si Jeron Teng.
Getting bigger and bigger every year. So, yun, I think it's another opportunity for us Filipinos to showcase our talents.
Binahagi naman ng Gilas sa 3-on-3 veteran na si Calvin Abueva ang kanyang karanasan sa 3-on-3 bilang suporta sa team. Dumalo rin ang kapatid ni Kobe na si Andre na naglalaro ngayon sa PBA D-League.
Hindi bibiro yung mga kalaban nila ngayon, isa malalaki pa tapos international pa. Hindi lang Asia ang nakalaban namin. World talaga eh.
I love playing, especially, it's my first time to play after 2 years. And to make it better, my brother and dad, my two idols, watch and support.
Kabraket ng Philippine team ang Slovenia, Romania, El Salvador at France sa Group B na tournament. Kaya aminado ang coaching staff na matinding laban ang kanilang haharapin.
We were able to assemble the best available players for the 3-on-3. In terms of skills naman, halos lahat ng players natin, they're all multi-skilled. They can play inside, they can play outside.
Mark Zambrano nakatutok, 24 Oras.